Welcome to Manhattan Beach, one of Brooklyn's most prestigious waterfront communities. Located along Brooklyn's southern shoreline, Manhattan Beach offers a unique blend of luxury, privacy, and coastal living that's difficult to find anywhere else in New York City. As you explore the neighborhood, you'll notice the beautiful tree-lined streets, meticulously maintained properties, and elegant homes that define the area. Manhattan Beach is known for its collection of luxury residences, including custom-built homes, waterfront properties, and expansive estates that offer both comfort and sophistication. Just steps away is Manhattan Beach Park, where residents enjoy sandy beaches, scenic walking paths, playgrounds, and breathtaking ocean views. It's the perfect place to relax, stay active, and enjoy the waterfront lifestyle. Nearby, Emmons Avenue serves as the neighborhood's vibrant waterfront destination. Lined with marinas, restaurants, and cafes, it's a favorite spot for residents to enjoy fresh seafood, waterfront dining, and beautiful views of Sheepshead Bay. One of the greatest advantages of living in Manhattan Beach is the balance between peaceful residential living and city convenience. Residents are minutes from shopping, transportation, entertainment, and neighboring communities such as Sheepshead Bay, Brighton Beach, and Coney Island. For homebuyers seeking luxury, space, and a true sense of community, Manhattan Beach continues to be one of Brooklyn's most desirable destinations. Whether you're looking for a modern custom home, a waterfront property, or simply a neighborhood that offers an exceptional quality of life, Manhattan Beach delivers. I'm Babak Giglu with RE/MAX. Thank you for joining me on this tour of Manhattan Beach and Emmons Avenue. If you'd like to learn more about the neighborhood, local market trends, or available homes in the area, I'd be happy to help.